Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to enable the brand new feature that lets you share your Instagram stories directly in Messages using the Instagram app on your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to connect with friends and spread your favorite moments, all from the comfort of your desktop. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the latest features. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can control and personalize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Sharing. Click on it to enter the section dedicated to how your content is shared across Instagram. Now, here's the important part. Within the sharing section, you'll find a setting labeled Stories in Messages. Toggle this option on. By enabling this, you're allowing your followers and friends to share your stories directly through Instagram Messages. This not only boosts engagement, but also makes it much easier for your content to reach more people in a personal way. Once you've turned on this feature, you're all set. From now on, your stories can be shared in Messages, letting your friends and followers interact with your content in new and exciting ways. To recap, here's how you do it. Open the Instagram app on your PC. Click the More icon on the left menu. Go to Settings. Enter the Sharing section. Enable Stories in Messages. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked a powerful new way to share your moments and connect with others. Try it out today and see how it transforms your Instagram experience. Happy sharing!